First things first, I appreciate your support. I'm back. So let's say you have a washing machine like an LG that won't drain water, so it's giving you an OE error code here. So before you call in a technician, this is what you have to do. Come here, move that. So two things. If the pump is not running, you should hear a sound coming from here. If the pump is not running, the pump is dead. However, it could be a minor obstruction on the pump. That's one. But if it's not running completely and when you open here the pump is clear, that is a pump issue. So you have to replace that. So before you call in a technician, just come here, move this, and then this. Open here. So we're trying to remove water manually. There you go. So this was preventing water coming out.
You can't go lower.